Welcome to 6597 North Lake Road. This 30-acre property sports a house with 4 bedrooms, 3-car garage, great big pole barn, really close to Clark Lake, a lot of deer, turkey hunting right out your backyard, a lot of woods right in here, beautiful scenery in the front yard. It's got a front porch that you'll enjoy sitting on. You need to come by, take a look at this property. It's pretty awesome. The setting here is amazing. Colin Cody, making real estate move.